I'm about to share with you how I was able to grow my service-based business online and how I was able to start getting clients. If you are a freelancer with great skills and you've always wanted to grow your business in such a way that you will not have to hunt for clients day in day out, then this is what you've been looking for. Freelancing, as we all know, requires that you offer the best option for your clients in comparison to your competition, and sometimes you do have to charge lower than you are supposed to charge because probably you need the gig. So if you have been using freelancing platforms for the past few years, you know that when this platform first came out, there was a lot of job and a lot of money to be made. But now there are millions of people out there that will be willing to just be paid $10 for something that you would rather be paid $50 to $100 these days. And with what is happening right now, you need to find a way to attract clients and to be able to charge more for your services. Now, this is a strategy I used to actually build my profile online, most especially on LinkedIn and on Facebook, in order to be able to attract clients. And I was able to get a project of $4,000 plus dollars. And so if you look at some of the screenshots I just shared, yeah, right now my LinkedIn profile continues to grow, and a lot of people continue to see my profile in their search pages when they search for somebody on LinkedIn. And this is what I'll be able to show you. So this is just a screenshot of what I've been able to make for between the first 6 weeks of doing what I am going to show you in this training. And this is what I actually made for people that send me money directly to my GigPay account. Now, you can achieve this and much more if you actually are an expert at what you do. Maybe you are a web designer, maybe you are a graphic designer, maybe you are a copywriter, maybe you are into direct copywriting, maybe you are into UI UX. You just have to be a professional online to be able to do this thing and be able to really make money out of this training. So, but before I go through this, before I actually show you how to do what I did, or before I actually introduce you to the solution that will help you to achieve what you want to achieve, I'd love to quickly introduce myself to you and share with you why I think I have the authority to share this knowledge with you. So who am I? My name is Arewala Ali, and in the year 2007, I started my online journey as a freelancer. I've actually been a graphic designer, a professional artist, since the year 1999, and this is me in my one-room apartment in Ibadan, trying to understand what the internet is and how to actually make money on the internet. So from 2007, I went online with my graphic design skills, and I was, trying to learn so many other things. I learned so many things. I learned web design, graphic design, video animation, potential business, affiliate marketing, CPA, and so many stuff. And you can see my wall is filled with, paper clips all over the place. I brought my printer to my house, and I was printing out stuff and I was posting it on my wall. And you can see that I also have a lot of printed stuff that I actually print. I actually make ebooks out of stuff, and I learned so much about the internet. And within a few months of learning all these things, of really opening my mind to understanding what the internet is all about, I was able to create trainings and courses. And you can see, learn how to do learn video animation creation like a pro, recording income security, image editing expert, importance blueprint academy. I was able to do so many things, and this is actually me in my office at the Polytechnic Ibadan then, when I was still in my wooden office then. So you can see all the stuff. I've been doing all these things for a very long time. Like, if you talk about e-commerce now, we now have gurus of e-com. I've been doing e-com since 2007, and now we have gurus of e-com, just starting up e-com just very recently. So I've been there and done that with a lot of stuff on the internet. And then in 2013, I started up on Fiverr.com. Fiverr actually opened in 2010, but I started working on Fiverr 2013 as a graphic designer. And the first 10 months, I was stubborn. I was actually using CorelDRAW then, and I insisted I will only use CorelDRAW to serve on Fiverr. But that first 10 months, I was only able to make $8 because the industry standard for graphic design online all over the world was not CorelDRAW, it was Photoshop. So after all my agony for the past 10 months, I eventually listened to reasoning, because I discovered that this thing I'm doing does not pay or will not pay me. So it took me another 2 months to go off, download videos, and learn how to use Photoshop. And then after learning how to use Photoshop, I opened a new Fiverr account, and within 24 hours, boom, sales started coming in. And then I continued to grow my account. Within the first 1 month, I became a level 1 seller, and we can see the screenshots. I continued to grow, and at that point in time, 2014, 2015, I became who they call the Fiverr genius. I became what they call the Fiverr genius. I was able to make quite a lot of money on Fiverr, and I started training people all over the country. A lot of people come to me from different parts of Nigeria, from Lagos, from Abuja, from Ekiti, from so many places, and I was training people, I was teaching them, I was sharing my knowledge with them. You can see that this is the same room I showed you, the same 2007 room that I showed you, that's the same room where people come to me. They stay with me overnight, they sleep at my place, some stay 3 days, some stay 5 days, just to learn from me and to get information from me. And I traveled a lot to a lot of people. Like all these people you are seeing in these pictures, they are people that have now become top guns, have now become gurus. If I show you their pictures now, you will be surprised how big their heads are now. So then we were all struggling, everybody was trying to actually make ends meet, and I was actually very happy to share my knowledge with a lot of people. These were all free trainings, these were all free one-on-one trainings. In fact, most of those trainings I even do, I use my personal money to buy stuff, I pay for the all, I buy drinks, I buy refreshments, just to make sure that people can actually assimilate and learn from me, because I was actually making quite a lot of good money on Fiverr then. And then eventually in 2016, I became a top seller on Fiverr, and everything continued to grow. I was making over $2,000, $3,000 on Fiverr, and I was withdrawing every day. Like I was just withdrawing money every day on Fiverr.com. And you can see here that there's a lot of places I went to, a lot of people I trained, on how to become, great graphic designer, on how to become very, good internet business owners, and then everything was really going on well. But eventually, I was able to buy my own land. I was able to build my own house from all the profit I made from Fiverr. But eventually, I had to stop working on Fiverr. And here is why. Why did I stop working on Fiverr? Well, city buyers started opening accounts on Fiverr, asking for free work and cancelling others. Fiverr introduced a new policy. They started what they called the Fiverr Pro. They started deranking people due to non-conversion of prospective buyers. And if you have a buyer that comes and sees a $50 gig, and is telling you that he wants to pay $10 for it, you send the buyer away. But Fiverr doesn't want you to do that. They want you to convert that buyer, and it became an issue. So all these new introductions that Fiverr did was really annoying, and eventually I thought it's time for me to leave. So I left Fiverr, I sold my Fiverr account, and I paid a friend of mine in the US to open a US-based LLC account for me, business for me, and it was called Brand Apex Media, and it launched in 2018. And after launching Brand Apex Media, I was free of all the excesses of freelancing sites, of being held in bondage by the counting, and clients coming to ask for revision like every 10 minutes. And I was free, I was truly free. I was able to travel all over the world. You can see me here in Dubai. I went to Dubai. I was just playing around the whole place, and it was very interesting. I went to all sorts of business conferences. I went to all sorts of places. It was very interesting. It was eye-opening. It was life-changing for me, and I was able to share more time with my family, with my wife, my kids, my beautiful daughters. You can see everyone, we were all having fun, and it was all the result of what I'm about to share with you in this training. So today I'm going to show you how I was able to position myself, and I was able to achieve all these things that I've shown you in these pictures and much more, because there are so many things that I've also been able to achieve that I would rather not share with people, because you don't just share everything that you have. But all these ones I've actually shared, you can see that I've actually made quite a lot working online. And with what I've done online, I'm also showing you right now that I've been able to position myself in such a way that I've been able to have video calls, trainings, clarity calls, business strategy calls with all kinds of people all over the world. You can see me with all kinds of business owners, talking to them, sharing ideas with them, working with them, and you can see that beyond reasonable doubt, I am who I say I am, because I've been able to show that I have what it takes for you to learn from me and to understand that whatever I share with you is something that's going to be valuable for you and something that's going to actually help you to continue to grow your business. So introducing the Brand Positioning Masterclass, and this masterclass is a masterclass that would definitely help you to really position yourself, position your business, position your expertise, position your brand in a way that people will see you, recognize you, respect you, give you the authority that people will say, okay, I want this person to work with me. So it's a simple step-by-step training that will show you so many things. So let me quickly share with you the things that are within the course itself. Introduction to brand positioning. We are going to be taking a look at what brand positioning is and what kind of importance it has on your business. Module 2, we are looking at how do you express your service. I'm going to be teaching you how to actually tell people what you do in a way that it attracts them and it actually seduces them to want to know more. I'm going to be sharing that with you. In module 3, I'm going to be sharing with you how to prove your worth with high value assets. How do you create high value assets? How do you create a portfolio? How do you create testimonials? And so many other stuff that you need to really build your business. Module 4, I'm going to be teaching you how to leverage your knowledge in a powerful way, in a way that will actually help you to really stand out and to really show your clients that you are the person that they have been looking for to help them build their business and grow their business. Module 5, I'll be showing you how to utilize the industry standards for your services and how and why you need to understand that knowing the industry standard for your services is as important as knowing how to offer your services the best way. And module 6, I'm going to be showing you how to negotiate your fees right so that you always be at the top of your game and you always be at the positive end of negotiation so that you will not fall back and have to accept whatever customers give to you. Module 7, I'm going to be showing you the 2 option wonderful pricing strategy that I've been using, that I learned a few years ago. I've been using, and it's so powerful that I've actually used it to actually make an extra $1,000 from a client, from a project I've collected, and you are going to be learning how that works. Module 8, I'm going to show you how to request for more money for your services. Maybe there's a situation where you get a job or you start a project and you undercharge and you discover that you have undercharged. How do you approach the client? How do you approach the buyer or the customer to actually add more funds to their budget? Module 9, I'm going to be showing you how to become replaceable to your clients, how to become so close to your clients that they'll find difficult to replace you, to send you packing, as long as you are offering the very best of services to them, and they will not start looking for cheap offers or cheap alternatives to your professional services. Module 10, I'm going to show you how to tweak your social media profiles in such a way that it's going to become a powerful attraction for you to get people to be interested in talking to you and do business with you. Now, imagine being able to build a great brand for your skills and expertise, being able to showcase your authenticity, professionalism, and get your target audience attention, gain authority, respect, and recognition online, being able to charge more for your services and getting more recommendations from your clients on social media. All these things are the things you are going to get in the Brand Positioning Masterclass. And in addition to that, when you purchase this Brand Positioning Masterclass, I'm also going to be giving you access to myself for 2 straight weeks for mentorship and partnership with me. My company, Brand Apex Media, offers all kinds of services. So if you want us to actually do some of these things for you, then we'll be able to help you with those things and we'll give you very good discounts. And if you want my mentorship, if you want advice from me, if you want me to help you check your social media account, to help you check your website, your landing page, or anything that you have online that will help to build your business, you send me a message, then I'll help you look at it. And then if there's a need for us to have a Zoom call, a video call, we'll have a video call where I share ideas with you and open your eyes to how you can really grow your business and take it to the next level. So with that being said, the total value of this training is $479, but for a limited time only, you are getting this for 90% off the original price, and that means you'll be getting it for just $47 only. So I'm offering a 100% satisfaction guarantee for the next 14 days. You know, I've given you 2 weeks for mentorship and partnership with me. So within that 2 weeks of mentorship and partnership, you get the opportunity to say, okay, Arewa, what you have been teaching me, what I have learned does not have any meaning, is not of any value to me. I want my money back, and I will give your money back to you with no questions asked. But if what you are getting is valuable, what you are getting is reasonable, what you are getting is actually changing your life, then what I will expect from you is fantastic testimonials from you, just like I got from some of the people that have already bought into this fantastic training. So you can see one of my students from Ghana, his name is Ikins Lookins. I said he's the first one that actually purchased this course, and he purchased this course at the rate of $97. And when I sent him a message, what do you think about the masterclass? You can see his response. It is super. I was able to see all my mistakes. I believe your training will take me to the next level. Want to do all the assignments you gave, then come back to you. Now, this is someone that was one of my students in 2016 when I was on Fiverr, when I was really hot on Fiverr, and he learned from me. I had a Fiverr course then. It was called the Fiverr Breakthrough System. He bought that course, he learned from me, and he was really able to break through a lot on Fiverr. And now he's a big man in Ghana. He's really running a lot of trainings, a lot of fantastic events in Ghana. And now when he saw that I brought out this Brand Positioning Masterclass, he knew that I always bring out something powerful, and that's the reason why he came and got the course. And you can see this another friend of mine, another student. You can see, Assalamu alaikum, how are you and the family? I had finished the course. You watch it over and over again, put it into practice. It was loaded as expected, insightful, eye-opening for both young and experienced freelancers who want to get their game up and 10x their income, earning in the shortest possible time. I will always watch and watch to get accustomed to teachings until they are a part of me. So you can see that this is something so powerful that people with experience, people that actually have the background of knowing exactly what to do, also saw a lot of value in this training. So with the Brand Positioning Masterclass, remember, you're going to learn how to build a great brand for your skills. You're going to learn how best to showcase your authenticity and professionalism. You are going to learn how to gain authority, respect, and recognition online. You'll be able to charge more for your services, get more recognition for your clients, be as a reputable solution provider, and increase search engine optimization and ranking results. You get more prospects to check you out and connect with you, grow your business and increase profits as you get more sales, and be able to convert your prospects better. So you need to act fast, because this is a special offer for a limited time only. Get this for $79, and thank you so much for watching. And just click on the link on the button below to get this Brand Positioning Masterclass. Immediately you make the payment, you get access to download the masterclass immediately, and you can start consuming the content. And remember, contact me so that we can start to work together and see how to grow your business for you. My name is always Ali. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the inside. Bye bye.